Welcome to the Compliance Assurance Associates Smoke School. This video covers the source sketch section of the Method 9 observation form. The source layout sketch illustrates the observer's position in relation to the emission point, landmarks, and the sun position. The drawing should clearly identify which emission source is being observed and enable future observers to locate the observation position. Let's familiarize ourselves with the sketch diagram first. The left side of the sketch is where the observer completes the main part of the diagram. The observer should add landmarks to clearly locate the emission source and observer. The upper right of the form defines direction orientation. Imagine the circle is a compass and add an arrow to indicate north. Check the box for true north or magnetic north. The next diagram indicates the height of the emission point and the distance from the stack to the observer. Complete the two fields accordingly. The box in the lower right shows the legend for this diagram. When documenting the stack with its plume, use a shape that represents the actual emission point, round or square. In this example, we'll use a circle. The emission point should also show the plume direction, as indicated in the legend. Recall that the sun must be in a 140-degree sector behind the observer. So first ensure you are in the correct position and draw the sun location on the dotted line. To draw the sun's location, perform the following steps while facing the observation point. 1. Put the VEO form on the ground, pointing the line of sight line towards the emission source. 2. Hold your pen in an upright position and move it across the sun's location line. 3. Once the pen's shadow crosses the emission point, draw the sun there along the sun's location line. The diagram should include a sketch of the stack with plume direction at the observation point. If there is no wind, the stack will be shown as a circle. If there is wind, the stack is shown as a circle with tails that indicate the direction the plume is moving. If wind is present, the source sketch must include a wind direction arrow showing the direction where the wind is going. Remember this key point. The wind direction arrow indicates the direction the wind is going, not the direction it is coming from. As a general rule, you'll notice that the plume direction and wind direction arrows run roughly parallel to each other, though this relationship can vary based on how far the observer is from the smokestack. This is a completed source layout sketch including all of the required elements. Each source layout sketch will vary depending on the location and conditions. If you have any questions, please see your environmental manager, supervisor, or contact CAA for guidance. Continue watching this series to learn how to complete the remainder of the form.